At the park, we saw a variety of insects including bees, beetles, butterflies and spiders. Bees that we see that are round and hairy are called bumblebees, and there are several different types. This bee is known as the tree bumblebee and is easily recognised by ginger upper body and white bottom. This little old ginger bee is known as the hairy-footed flower bee and is one of the first bees you will see at the beginning of summer. This little bumblebee is very common and is known as the red-tailed bumblebee. This fast-moving insect is known as the common sunbeetle. It has a very reflective back. It is widespread and very common in Great Britain, found in gardens and grasslands. During the summer, it likes to sun itself and is often seen on bare ground. Bees like colourful plants with lots of pollen and nectar. This colourful plant, known as the fuchsia, comes from Brazil, but grows well in the UK. Lots of insects visit this plant to taste its sweet nectar. This purple bell-shaped flowered plant is known as the foxglove and is a big favourite of bees and insects. It's a very special plant as heart medicines are extracted from it. We've all seen them. It's hard to turn around without seeing a pigeon. But did you know that scientists think pigeons are special because they come in so many different colours? Pigeons saved hundreds of thousands of human lives by carrying messages across enemy lines in the First and Second World War. And one pigeon called G.I. Joe was actually given the Dickin Medal for bravery after he flew 20 miles in 20 minutes to alert thousands of British soldiers that a position they held was about to be bombed. In the park, there are lots of grey squirrels. If you ever see a red squirrel, you are very lucky, because there are twice as many grey squirrels in Scotland as there are red. Grey squirrels came from North America and were released in the UK in 1870s. Grey squirrels will eat acorns, hazelnuts, berries and toadstools, but when plant food is scarce, they will eat smaller rodents, insects and bird eggs. Ravenscraig Park squirrels are very tame because people feed them, and if you remain still, they may get very close. But don't get too close because they may bite. As well as being a home for squirrels, birds and insects, human beings like to come to the park and walk their dogs. On our trip, we saw 2 German Shepherds. One was black, which was unusual, but the other, a friendly little pup, was the normal golden colour. We went down to the beach at Seafield. It's a sandy beach with rock pools. Ever wondered what it's like to live in a rock pool? Well, now you can see with our waterproof GoPro footage. In these rock pools, you can find all sorts of creatures and marine life. Normally, only the plants and shellfish that are attached to the rock pool live there permanently. And when the tide comes in, it brings crabs and shrimp that get left behind when the tide goes out. The best part of Seafield is you can watch seals basking in the sun. In Scotland, there are 2 types of seals that you can spot. They are the grey seals and common seals. The main difference between the two is that the grey seal are larger than common seals, and common seals have a sticking out whiskered snout. Seals live for between 20 to 35 years and eat fish, octopus, shellfish and eels.